Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I can prep some of my favorite recipes. They are super easy to do, so let's get into it. So for our first recipe, I will be showing you how I make my favorite peanut butter bars with only 6 ingredients. We will need 2 cups of rolled oats, half cup of creamy peanut butter, 1/4 cup of raw honey, 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, also 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Last, 2 tablespoons of dark chocolate chips. So the first step is I will mix all the ingredients together in one bowl, except dark chocolate. I already have a pan with parchment paper ready. I'm going to place the mixed ingredient on a pan and press it onto an even layer. Next, I will be freezing the mix for 10 minutes in the freezer and will be right back.
A few moments later.
It has been 10 minutes. I just took out the mix out of the freezer. Everything is looking good so far. I'm going to cut the oats into smaller pieces to make bars. Next, we will be melting the dark chocolate chips into the microwave for 20 seconds. After melting, drizzle the chocolate over the bars and allow to cool. You can enjoy it right away or refrigerate for 1 more hour for a solid texture. For our second recipe, I will be showing you guys how I prepare healthy baked salmon. This is my all-time favorite for my lunchtime. Let's dive in. For this recipe, we will only need 8 ingredients. 100 grams of fine asparagus, salmon fillet, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon Italian herbs, 3 slices of lemon. So the first step is to preheat the oven 200 degrees Celsius. Stir together olive oil, garlic, herbs, and squeeze 1 slice of lemon over it. Make sure to rub it all over the tops and sides of the salmon. Next, I will be placing the salmon on top of the asparagus on a greased baking pan. I will then season generously with salt and pepper. Next, thinly slice the remaining and top each of the salmon with a slice of lemon. We will be baking for 12 to 15 minutes.
15 minutes later.
I got the salmon out of the oven. It smells really good. It can be garnished with fresh thyme or parsley, but I prefer it just like this. Our third recipe for this episode is a healthy banana oatmeal pancake, my go-to breakfast. So for this, we will need 3 bananas, 2 eggs, half a cup of oatmeal, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1.5 cup of rolled oats, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon salt. I will add all the ingredients into the blender and blend at high speed until completely smooth for 30 to 60 seconds. Next, pour the mixture onto the grease pan and cook for 2 to 4 minutes until it's golden brown. I usually top it off with drizzles of honey and voila, another easy and healthy recipe. For our last recipe, I'm going to be making a banana peanut butter smoothie. It will make you go bananas. The ingredients for the smoothie are 1 frozen banana, half a cup of oat milk, a teaspoon of creamy peanut butter. All you need to do is place all the ingredients into the blender and blend until it becomes smooth. And that's all for this recipe. Easy, right? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for notifications. If you decide to try these recipes, I would love to see them. Tag me on my Instagram. See you on my next episode.